Welcome guys. Today we will see one problem. When on mesh analysis, when there is a current source present in this circuit. So the question is, use mesh analysis and determine mesh currents using mesh analysis. Use mesh analysis and determine mesh currents. The question. So the circuit is like this. So this is a current source. Current through this is I1, this is I2, I3. This is the question given in the exam. So now here we have to determine I1, I2, I3. So first label this Now we are told to determine mesh current. So this we should not convert into current source. This we should not convert into voltage source. So solution, first write down due to current source before applying KVL, analyze the branch consisting of current source and express current source in terms of assumed loop currents. So therefore I1 will be 10 amps. So the current in this branch will be 10 amps. So I1 equals 10 amp. This is first one. So current, when I are asked to determine currents in this mesh, don't convert this to voltage source. So if any problem is asked to find current through 3 ohm, then you can convert this to voltage source, no problem. But here I have to determine I1, so don't convert this to voltage source. Now come to the loop ABDA. So apply KVL to loop ABDA. Now if you see, this current direction is opposite to the voltage source. So minus 10 equals 3 into, now if you see 3, I2 minus I1 plus 2 times, now if you see this I2 minus I3. So substitute for I1, which is 10 amps. So this will be the equation, minus 10 equals minus 5I2 plus 2I3. So This is the second equation. Next, apply KVL to loop B, C, D, B. Now if you see, this is minus plus and current is in the same direction, so 10 equals 2 into now I3 minus I2 plus 3 times I3. So I am rearranging this is 10 equals minus 2I2 plus 5I3. So now solve equation 2 and 3. We get I2 equals 5.714 amps, I3 equals 4.2857 amps. This is the answer. These are the loop currents. So this is how a problem should be solved when asked for with a current source.